It's not about getting the most views and likes on your videos. It's about developing a real connection with your ideal client. Most people make the mistake of chasing views and likes on their videos, playing that social media roulette game, and then they make content they hope will achieve that. They're thinking they can cash in on their likes and their views, that they lead to sales and growth. And while you obviously need to get eyes on your videos, that's not what your aim should be. Because views and likes do not equal leads and sales. But it's the solopreneurs and coaches that focus on developing a deep connection with their audience that see success. Even if that video only has 100, 500 or 1,000 views, and not 10,000 like others in their industry. Think about any big investment you've made into a teacher, a coach, or a mentor. I'm willing to bet that you didn't just see their sales page randomly. The list of content that they're teaching ticks some boxes, and you were in. You probably felt some kind of connection with that teacher, with that mentor, that over time, however long or short, the way they spoke to you and content that you saw resonated with who you are and what you wanted to achieve on a deeper level over their competitor. But if you keep churning out that content that you think will get likes and views and not creating content that resonates with who your audience is and what they want to achieve, then you will continue to play small, struggling to really make an impact in your business as well as the lives of those you serve. It's our job to create content that truly serves our audience on a deeper level, that helps them discover a better way forward and in turn allows you to serve more people.